AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Valorant not launching or not starting on your Windows PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Valorant game is not launching or not starting, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on start menu, then type here system environment variables. You can see entity system environment variables. Just click on this. Under advanced tab, you need to click on environment variables. Under system variables, just click on the new. Here you need to enter the variable name and variable value. If you want this, I will provide this in my description link. You just need to copy from there and paste it. Just select and paste it here and select the value, copy and paste it here and click on OK and click on OK. Just close this window, click OK, and after doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Valorant not launching or not starting on your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.